Hey guys, Ewok Plays Yt, and today we are opening up the Leaf set of 1991. We have two boxes of these. There are Series 1 featuring Harbin Killebrew Hall of Fame puzzle and baseball cards. Look for randomly inserted gold Leaf rookie cards. So that's what we're going to be looking for in these boxes. I'm going to do one on camera and then the other one off camera. And then I'll show you all the cards I got at the end of the video. Okay, so before we get into this, some cards that that I'm going after: Ken Griffey Jr., Nolan Ryan, Ricky Henderson, Cal Ripken Jr., Kirby Puckett, Jose Canseco, Don Mattingly, Frank Thomas, Barry Bonds, and Sammy Sosa. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have our first card, I believe. Yep, Barry Bonds. Okay, we have a Ricky Henderson. Alright, so out of our first column we got two good cards, no Leaf rookies yet. On to the next column. Okay, we have our first gold rookie, Scott Lewis. Okay, on to the next column. Okay. Our last card of the column is a Leaf rookie, Henry Rodriguez.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, a Leaf rookie, Todd Van Poppel. Okay, we finish it off actually with a Leaf Gold rookie move on. So the first box is complete. We're now going to move on to the second box that I'm going to do off camera, so I'll see you guys at the end of the video when I have opened up everything. Okay guys, so after ripping through two boxes, we got Kirby Puckett, Jose Canseco, Ricky Henderson, Barry Bonds, Mo Vaughn, gold card, Henry Rodriguez, gold card, Todd Van Poppel, gold card, Mo Vaughn, we got another Mo Vaughn, Scott Lewis, Arthur Rhodes, Gary Scott, another Todd Van Poppel, and Will Cordero, Leaf rookie gold card. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.